My people, I dey salute. Una no see me last week. Something happen. My big sister, we just get news say she die. We never still understand wetin cause am. And when the news come now, dem just tell my mama like that, just early in the morning. My mama just start to dey cry too much. So we just carry all our energy first face our mama, make we help her calm down. God come help us with prayer. Oh, my mama come calm down. Then we come say, okay, make we see as we can do, because all of us, when we hear the thing just, e just weak everybody. First, we no even know wetin we go talk. Then we come dey vex. Then we come talk say, this our vex sef, make we turn am take am do better thing. So we dey prepare for her funeral. Na there we dey. So that's why una no see me last week. I no even know where I wan start. I no know where I wan stop. I no know as I go do. You know, this kind thing when e happen, plenty thing go dey enter your mind. You know, say when person die like this, you go dey think everything wey fit happen, whether you for fit stop the death, anything wey you fit do. But in the end, na something wey everybody turn go reach. Our prayer be say make we no go before our time, make we fulfill all the assignment wey God send us here to fulfill. And anybody wey no sure where him go when he leave this place, through and go suggest advice, make you take time think the thing, because one day go come wey whether na sleep person go sleep, e no wake. Yoruba people go say you go market, you no come back. And that time dey come for everybody. Shakespeare talk say the world na stage, we get entrance and we get exit. The thing wey we do on top the stage na the legacy wey we go leave for the people wey dey our back. How dem go think us, how dem go remember us. And the rest of the life, we dey go where nobody don go come back come tell us as e be. The people wey dey talk, we no know, na only God know. So anything wey we fit do when we dey here to make sure say we secure our place for the next stage of the journey, make we try do am. So na the thing wey happen be that, my people. You know, inside that one, I think before that time, dem don kidnap these children for Kaduna. You know, this thing wey dey happen for Nigeria sef, e dey weak person. You know, I dey feel for the parents, for the state, for the country. Be like say everybody don confuse now. Now who dey control country now? Na these kidnappers? Because e be like say dem don pass everybody power. Dem go enter township, collect people. Not be one person, oh, not be two, oh, not be three, oh, over 100 people waka comot and nobody know where dem go. But when dem dey collect money, na somebody dey come collect their money. But I no know wetin I wan talk again, because every time wey we hear news, good news for Nigeria na 10%, bad news go come brekete full everywhere. As we no dey country, but we dey outside, we get family there now. Na so the thing dey worry us, as e dey worry una wey dey there, e dey worry us too. You know, we no fit dey pre ten d say because we no dey there, e no go happen. If it, some of we get children there now, some of we get our parents, we get brother, we get sister. E go hard make you see person wey dey overseas wey no get somebody for house. E go hard. So e concern us too, and e dey worry us too, say how this thing don dey happen. No be say e just start. At least for the past 5 years this kidnapping don dey and e be like say no solution. E be like say the security people dem dey confused, dem no know wetin dem wan do again. So everybody don go turn im own security now. Abi how we wan do dis kind thing now? The thing disturb me too much. True, e disturb me too much. So we dey here, we dey pray for all of una, and we dey pray for ourselves too. Make God help us, because some kind thing now e don pass we power now. Even if you get security, how many people for Nigeria fit get private security? The private security sef, dem fit go thief their own, kidnap their own family. So everybody dey at risk. Everybody dey at risk. And dem say things don cost there. My friend dey tell me say one chicken 3,000 naira. So the only thing wey we go dey pray na make God just help us. I know say one thing wey don help us well well for there be say we dey sabi laugh. We dey sabi take our problem turn am to joke, to dey laugh. I think na that thing don help many of us wey our people no dey suffer from depression. That power say we fit laugh, we fit look our mistake, we fit look our foolishness, we fit look all our trouble, we fit take am turn to joke. So that one na gift wey God don give us. I think God don already see say wahala go plenty, and e give us something wey we go fit take cope. So make we thank God for that one. Otherwise I no know how. Na cry everyday people go dey cry, or dem go dey vex, or dem go just dey face themselves, dey fight themselves, because dem no even get wetin to, how to solve their problem again. Anyway my people, I no wan leave una with depression. No be say I like to talk about difficult things like this, but how person wan do na the thing wey dey happen now. Na the thing wey dey happen, for we here now, we get summer, good weather, rain don dey fall. So me, I don do small garden. I don plant onions, cabbage, I even plant corn sef. So when the thing start to grow, I go go video am, show una, make una see am. But until then, make everybody take care of himself. Anything wey you fit do to help yourself, abeg do am. Take care of yourself. As we see, this life no be forever we go dey here o. Any small enjoyment wey you fit get, enjoy yourself, eat well, drink well, do exercise, live well, live peacefully with your neighbor. Person vex you sef, forgive them, because no point. We dey chase money, chase money, chase money. The whole money sef, you go still leave am go. You build 100 house, you go still leave am go. Na only one bed you fit sleep, abi? We all know that one. But something wey dey for inside us, wey dey push us for more, for more, for more. Make we sit down, make we think, especially some of us wey don pass certain age. E good make we just relax small, make we reduce the rat race. But in the end, like Solomon talk for Bible, e say the most important thing na to fear God and to serve him, because every other thing na vanity. So until I meet una again, until I come back come do this video, I dey pray say everybody go dey well, and we go jam again in better time. No be the one wey we go dey talk about people wey don die. We go dey fit laugh, we go crack joke. So make una dey well. Bye.